Good morning this Thursday, the 17th of August. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street extended its red run into Wednesday as investors digested the latest FOMC meeting minutes that included some Fed officials saying further rate hikes may be needed to bring inflation down to the target. The meeting minutes also outlined the current robustness in the economy, shown through recent third quarter GDP estimates and retail sales data, are not really what the Fed wants to see. The Dow Jones fell just over 0.5% on Wednesday, the S&P 500 lost 0.76%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq fell 1.15%. TJX companies rose 4% after the discount retailer beat Wall Street expectations for Q2, while Target rallied 4% even after the retailer cut its full-year earnings forecast and second quarter sales fell short of expectations. Over in Europe, markets closed lower in the region as investors assessed the latest inflation data out of the UK. The reading of inflation came in at 6.8%, which was a sharp decline from 7.9% in June, mainly due to a slump in fuel prices. This reading was in line with expectations, which poses a headache for the Bank of England, as inflation is showing signs of cooling, but wages growth out yesterday continues to rise. Locally, the ASX fell 1.5% on Wednesday after taking lead from the US on Tuesday, and as investors digested the latest slew of poor economic data out of China, indicating the economic recovery in the region remains very sluggish. Information technology stocks took the biggest hit on Wednesday, though every sector closed the midweek session in the red. Endeavour Group fell over 4% on Wednesday, despite the company reporting FY23 results that actually topped analysts' expectations. Investors may have sold out after the company failed to issue outlook for FY24, but FY23 turned out strong, with NPAT up 6.9% to $529 million, and the full-year dividend rose 7.9% to 21.8 cents per share. On the commodities front this morning, oil is down 1.99% at $79 and 38 cents a barrel. Gold is down just over 0.5% at $1,891 and 55 cents an ounce, and iron ore is up almost 0.5% at $104 a ton. One Aussie dollar is buying 64 US cents, 93.95 Japanese yen, 51.22 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open 0.32% lower, extending yesterday's losses into Thursday's trading session. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the price target on Life 360 from $9.25 to $10.50 and maintain a buy rating on the location services and hardware technology company, following the release of the company's first half results, including revenue and adjusted EBITDA, beating Bell Potter expectations. Life 360 also announced total paying circles were up 62,000 quarter on quarter, which nearly doubled what BP or Bell Potter was expecting, and cash as at June 30 was $64.2 million, which also beat forecasts. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Australian clinical labs following the formation of a pattern over a period of 58 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $3.27 to the range of $3.71 to $3.81, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a terrific Thursday and happy investing.